Hi, I am excited to give you this great tip. This is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com, and I'm today organizing my friend Rochelle, and we are speed sorting into 5 boxes. As you can see over here, we've got 5 boxes: trash, other room, action, donate. You can't tell, but trust me, those 5 boxes are there and we're sorting. And she just said the most inspiring thing, and so I'm going to let her share it with you.
Rochelle again here, organizing my joy. I found this toy that the boys like, but it takes up space, and I'm deciding I'll donate it and then we'll just buy it again at DI sometime.
Nice! For those of you who don't know, DI is, for Utahns, our Goodwill thrift store, and we've got a ton of them around here, so great, good job. You're throwing away like crazy. It's amazing.
Feels good.
Good job.